Hi, my name is Sara Wehust, and today we're going to be taking a look at Windows 8.1. Let me just start out by saying I have a major love-hate relationship with this operating system. It wasn't a smooth transition for me, someone who hasn't had a lot of experience with touchscreen devices or tablets and etc. It was a little bit harder for me to understand the layout and the functionality of the start screen instead of a start button. Here in the slide we're talking about technology is ever changing, and to keep up with everything else, Microsoft has introduced the new operating system designed to look like our tablets and work with our touchscreen technology. I know that everyone has noticed all the new laptops, they're touchscreen and you're able to do all these new programs, so it's definitely something that has probably helped Microsoft develop new programs and as well as have to adapt a lot of old programs to work with this new technology. From here, at this start screen here on the screen, you're able to resize, add, remove, or pin to start and organize all of your applications on your start screen. What I enjoy doing is being able to organize it, move it around. Sometimes I'm a student, so I'm very versatile. If I'm doing a lot of word pressing and things like that, then I'm going to have them lined up like I do here in the picture on the screen. I like that you're able to customize your backgrounds and your themes to suit yourself or to express yourself or however you want to look at it. There's different ways that you're able to get to the start screen. You can simply hit the Windows key on your keyboard, or you can, from your desktop, if you look in the lower left hand corner, you're going to look and see a Windows icon, and you can click on that as well. It'll take you directly to the start screen. And if you swipe the left side of your screen and select the Windows button, it'll also do the same thing. So I'm just going to walk you through that really quickly. Take a look at it. See here in the lower left hand corner where my pointer is, you can see the Windows icon. It'll take me directly to the start screen. If I swipe over on the right hand side, you can also see another Windows Start button here. You can get to the start screen from there. So back to my presentation. Learning to navigate without the start menu was a little bit more difficult as well. Finding programs, searching for things, all the normal stuff that you're used to be able to do straight through that start button, you can't do that anymore. You have a different way to access everything. By swiping the right side of your screen, you can also pull up a menu for search, which allows you to search for files. Device menu, it also allows you to connect to another device, like if you want to project your screen or something like that, you can use that selection there. The start screen, of course, we've already talked about that. And then the settings menu allows you to change your settings. We're going to get a little bit deeper into that. In the settings menu, you can change all of your stuff. You can change your network settings, connect to the internet, you can change the brightness, you can change your sound, you can go into your notifications menu. You can also look at the power. You can power down your PC, restart it, all of those different things. You can also pull up your on-screen keyboard, which is really helpful with the touchscreen technology. If you just have a laptop that, say, detaches and it becomes a tablet, that's where something like that might come in handy for you. Last but not least, I definitely love the Windows Store, and we're going to explore all these different things that I'm sharing with you. There you're able to see, you can search for games and puzzles, sports, entertainment, business, education, productivity, but all of that stuff is just a bunch of words unless you see it, so let's take a look at that. As I was talking before, you're able to get to your menus over here on the left side of the screen. If you click on the settings button, that's where you can see your control panel, the personalization, PC information, your help. Here you can change your network settings. There's the volume button, brightness, keyboard, power, notifications, and your PC settings. Let's go ahead and take a look over here at the store. If you swipe the left-hand side here, as you can see, I can go to my desktop or the different applications that are open on my computer already. This is our store. I love it because in Windows 8.1 they definitely upgraded the store. You're able to search for a specific application for a specific need instead of having to kind of wander through all the different options that they have. But let's just take a look at categories. Pulls up this nice menu here. Books and reference, for example, is going to bring up, you can look at free, new and rising, top grossing, top paid. So I can use Windows 8.1 for dummies. Lots of different resources on here as well. I can do food and dining. A lot of different cool opportunities for recipes and things of that nature. I can search for stuff that's available for kids, comic book fans. We got our social media stuff. So as you can see, there's a lot of different stuff. I can also access the different applications that I already have on my computer or ones that I have downloaded previously. Here it's going to pull up the different ones that I've used on here. As you can see, not very many. Another one of the applications that I really do enjoy that I have is My Study Life. My Study Life allows you to track the different assignments or quizzes that you may have due that week. You can also put in your homework or the class times and exams that might be coming up, and it just gives you reminders. What's great about that as well is that you can cross-reference that over the course of different devices and programs as well. So I constantly sync this with my calendar. Here in the Xbox Music, you can see that I can access the radio, I can explore different music, I can see what's playing, I can access my personal collection. I actually have that open for you guys to take a look at. So if you'll give me a moment to get to that. Here's My Study Life. So as you can see, I haven't really put any stuff in here recently, but I really should. I can see all the tasks that are going to be due. I can add tasks, see the different classes that I have. Music is right here. Xbox, they have the radio here. I can explore the different music and albums that they might have. Stuff that I have recently been playing. And my personal collection. You can see I have a wide variety here. So that pretty much concludes the tour of my laptop. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, thank you.